This video will demonstrate Sportsmith's new wipe dispenser. Here are the dimensions of the front and back of the new wipe dispenser. Here are the dimensions of the side of the new wipe dispenser. And here are the maximum dimensions of the roll that you can put inside the wipe dispenser. Here's the hardware you're going to find included with the new wipe dispenser. You've got a set of 4 screws and anchors if you want to do a wall mount. Then there's the key for opening the wipe dispenser. And of course, if you don't want to use the key, you can also change to the button which is included here, and that's covered later in the video. To open the dispenser requires the included key. Insert the key, twist, and then you can open it. To mount the dispenser, you have 2 options. You've got these sets of holes here, and then these 2 here. Always mount it in the upright position. If you mount it this way, all the liquid's going to run out and the wipes will dry out very quickly. To load the dispenser, pull a wipe out through the center. Place the bag into the dispenser. I like to turn it sideways so I'm not fighting all this extra plastic. If you put it in this direction, you end up fighting those flaps every time you're closing it. So turn it where the flaps are in the front and the back, and you can even put this one on the bottom. And then take that first wipe and push it up with the finger here on one hand while you're pulling up with your fingers to get it out of the nozzle on the top here. Sportsmith's new wipe dispenser also offers an option of a button instead of the keyed lock. It's included in the hardware pack. To change to the button style option, open the dispenser with the key, and inside you will find the white retainer piece that has 2 clips, one on each side, that you will depress and then slide that white clip piece up. Once that's removed, the keyed piece will actually come out of the hole and you can replace it with the button. Slide the clip back into place. And now you can use the button to open the wipe dispenser. This completes the video. Thanks for your support during our more than 25 years in the business.